Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see how we can install GA4 on WordPress WooCommerce and how we can do it manually. Okay, so without further ado, let's get it started. So for getting the tagging instruction, we need to go to the admin section. Okay. So I will click on data streams. Then I will be selecting these data streams. Okay. So I can see an option called view tag instructions. So I'll click on this button. So let's wait a little bit. It might take some time. Okay, so we can see install your Google tag. So we have two options available here. Like we can install with a website builder or CMS, or we can install it manually. Okay, so I'll be selecting this option called install manually. Then we can see below is the Google tag for this account. Copy and paste it in the code of every page of your website immediately after the head element. Okay, so I need to copy this JavaScript snippet and put the header portion of my website. Okay, so I'll copy it from here, and for I need to go to the admin panel of my website. So for going to admin panel, I need to write my website URL. As this is WordPress CMS, then I need to write /wp-admin. Okay, then I'll click on enter. Then I'll see an options called appearance, and inside appearance I'll get an option called theme file editor. So inside theme file editor, you will see an option called header.php. Okay, so inside header.php, I will see the header element. Okay, so I'll copy this JavaScript snippet again and paste it here, and I will click on update file. Okay, so it will take some time for updating. So we can see file edited successfully. Okay, so our Google tag has been installed with our website. So for checking whether it is working or not, I need to take some help from an extension called Google Tag Assistant Legacy. Okay, so for installing this tool, you just need to go to the Chrome Web Store and write Google Tag Assistant Legacy. Then you will be able to install this extension. Okay, so for checking, I will click on this refresh button, and if I go to this extension, then I can see global site tag gtag.js has been installed. Okay, so for matching it, if I see the code from here, G2S86W, and then I go to the gtag section, then I can see it G2S86W. So both codes are matching. That means our our global site tag has been installed with our website properly. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can install GA4 on our WordPress WooCommerce. Okay, so yeah, if you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. Okay, you have a good day then. Bye bye.